Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Game Time FX. Today I'm going to show you how to get a $30 no deposit bonus with no lot size required that you can use and trade forex or indices and be able to make profits for yourself and also earn money for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, let me get straight to the point of this video. So the broker that's offering this $30 is IX Broker. I made a video last time showing you exactly how to sign up for this broker and be able to get started. So I'm also going to leave a description of that video on my description, and I will show you the picture of the video right now. So the video that I spoke about on how to sign up for IX Broker is this video right here. Let me show you a description. Let me show you the particular video. Is this video right here, this one right here. This is the video that you have to watch in order to get started and sign up for IX Broker. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you the terms and conditions of this $30 no deposit bonus. So this $30 no deposit bonus is available for 3 days. Aside from yesterday, it's now available for 2 days. You have only 2 days to sign up for this no deposit bonus. And as you can see, you have to make a profit of within $10 to $30. That's what you need to make. There's no lot size required. The only thing that's required for you is to make profits, a minimum of $10 and a maximum of $13. So what is also required of you is that you have to fill in a form which I'm going to leave on the description of this video. You have to fill in that form. First of all, you have to have an account with IX Broker, and then you have to come to the description of this video and fill in the form. And after filling in the form, you have to wait for 24 hours. You have to wait for 3 hours or so in order to get this $30. You have to get this $30 credited to your trading account. So I'm going to show you a picture of what the form looks like. So this is what the form looks like. After you have clicked on it, you have to scroll down and you have to fill in this form. You have to do it as fast as possible so that you can get this money credited to your account and so that you can start making profits. So on the beginning of this video, I made a writing that by the end of the video, I'm going to show you a bonus that you can use, a bonus of how you can use and get started. So I'm going to show you the bonus right now. So this is the bonus, my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel, I post free VIP trades that you can copy and make profit for yourself. You don't have to learn it. You don't have to learn much about Forex or all you have to do is just join my Telegram channel where I post signals almost every single time, and you can be able to copy my trades and also make profits for yourself. Also on my Telegram channel is always the first place I upload a description that I have uploaded a new video on YouTube. So you can be able to join my Telegram channel and follow me on YouTube so you can be able to copy my trades. So in all, if you gained any value from this video, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that will be all for this video. Peace.